Hey. Oh, you too. Dog it. Dude, if we get attacked by slenderman, I'm gonna die. It's a documentary. And what the heck is that in the hole?
Hang on, are you recording?
Yes.
Oh god, you stupid dog.
I'm scared the crap.
Is it moving?
I swear, if slenderman kills us, I'm gonna die. Oh, of course I'm gonna die if slenderman kills us.
I should run out in front of you with you shine the light on me with a camera and then start spinning and I walk down the street.
Yeah. I know, Leah. Yeah, you.
What's that? What? What are we doing?
I don't know.
Lightningbugs, seriously, it's like
I can't get the lightning bugs.
Yeah, but look at them with your eyeballs.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at them with my eyeballs and it looks so freaking pretty.
Yeah, look at them right there. They're so pretty.
That is freaking gorgeous.
Look at all of them. So I'm thinking, does that have a real street? Nah.
No?
Make you say that. You're so cray-cray.
That was you must hold my hair, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh, man.
Those trees are starting to look scary to me. The more I look at them, the more
I can't look away from them. So pretty. And look, the camera isn't even picking it up.
Is this what it feels like to be high?
No. I kind of want to just sit down and like not leave and just keep watching.
See, you should come spend the night more often. Then we can come up here, sit in the middle of the road, and watch Lightningbugs. And maybe get hit.
Maybe get hit.
With the possibility of getting raped by slenderman.
No, that won't be rape, my friend.
He'll be tentacle feeling of the bunghole.
He'll make us feel his fourth tentacle.
Oh my god. Yeah.
He'll say, "Tell me you love me." This is me showing you my love for you, my child. That's what happened to all the other children. They refused, so we killed them. What?
Okay, let's all make an agreement. We will all love him, yes?
I love him. I love him. I really do. I idolize that freak.
Yeah, he's cool.
He's cool people. And now, why can't we, like, look away?
I hear a car coming.
Yeah.
It's probably maybe that's just wind.
I don't know.
But this wind freaks me out.
It's coming back at you. There's a spider on me.
What?
You're joking, right?
No.
Don't freak me out with spiders.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm stepping away from you.
It's all good.
You have a slender spider on you.
Oh, that's sexy.
Take this jacket.
And my back is just itchy from the sweater.
Let's just start singing songs that we know.
Like, hit me baby one more time.
Hit me baby one more time. Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know
I heard that
something wasn't right?
I can't even
Show
remember
me who you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. If I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Shoot! How close are we to your house?
It's so close.
Oh, that lightningbug scared me. How close is it? It's right up there. Oh, shit.
Oh, I think she'll never know it was us. We sound like a bunch
she
of
probably has her fan in her window.
She has it in the one window, but not in the front.
Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right? Oh, baby, baby. Where you go? Something. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now, because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, if I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign.